everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a plan with me for this week of May 7th to the 13th, and I know it is Mother's Day, but I am going to be using this kit from our April, April subscription box, so last month. And I just saw it sitting on my desk, and I haven't used a subscription box kit in a while, so I thought it would be super cute to use it again, or to use one again. I haven't used this one before. And I just love the theme of gems and unicorns, and I have been wanting to use that washi so bad. Actually, I didn't show it to you guys, but you'll see it in a minute. And I am so sorry for my nails. I know they look just disgusting. I cannot paint my nails and just have them not chip like this. That's why I have to get the gel, but we've been just like hardcore budgeting for most things, and that was one of them. And so this week, I really like this week. I put the little bean unicorn up there, and sorry, I got distracted, my phone going off. But I put a little bean unicorn and then decided to go down the list with my usual sidebar items. And I kind of wanted to put like a little reminder, like, you're gonna have a great week or something like that. And so I ended up just putting one of the washi with a little gem and just put this week and wrote down, it's a good one. And you know, the whole like speaking in present, like making things happen, law of attraction, positive thinking, all those things. And so that's what I'm trying to do there. And I mean, I guess I could have put it's a great one, a fantastic one, but I don't know why. I just put good. I was afraid that I wouldn't have enough room for anything else. And then this What's Cooking functional sticker is part of our kit, and this is actually the last month that I'm going to have this template for this in my subscription box, because I am switching over starting in May, so this month, to our new format where it's just 5 big pages of kits instead of having these small pages. And I put a little unicorn inside that one deco box, and now I'm just putting my usual reading and habits, because y'all know I can't live without those. And I am still reading Harry Potter. Actually, wait, look, this is the washi. How cute is it? I wanted to make sure it actually fit there, and it's perfect. I didn't put a binge watch sticker, that's the only one missing. And I have been watching, or I did binge watch the last season of Jane the Virgin, which, oh my god. I mean, I know that a lot of people are not like me. I love spoilers. I will go to the movies and Google how it ends, because I need spoilers. I'm that person that reads the last page of a book before actually reading the book, because I need to know how it ends. And I know that I am going to gain some enemies by saying that. I mean, my own husband, like, chooses to ignore that because he cannot get over the fact that that's the way I am. But I need spoilers in my life. Quick note here, I am using Simply Gilded washi that a dear, dear friend sent to me. She has sent me so much Simply Gilded washi. It's just insane. She's crazy. I love you if you're watching this. And I'm just so grateful, because these little bow washis are so cute. And I haven't been able to snag any with all the madness that happens when they get released. But it's okay. This is out of frame, but okay, there it is. I put a little gem up there. Not that one. This one. Just because I cut it a little short, just like I did on the other page. But the other page had 2018 in it. And so, what was I saying? Spoilers. Oh, Jane the Virgin. Oh my god. So, I was watching it. I actually just binge watched it all this week. And it finished. Or last week, I guess. But I just finished it, and do you guys watch it? I was just screaming at my computer, no! Like, I was literally screaming at my computer. Because I thought, so the last episode ended, and I thought that Netflix would just play the next episode, and then I realized that some other series was gonna start, and that was the last episode. It ended in a major cliffhanger. Oh, it pains me. I had to relive it this morning when my husband, like, asked me what I was watching today, and I'm like, nothing. Just nothing. Like, I don't ever want to watch anything again and be left in the dark about what happens next. So, okay, I'm going to move past this because I am getting all just heated again. So, Monday, I'm trying to go back to the whole, like, white space planning because I feel like it makes me be a little more creative with my planning. Like, instead of just using boxes to make lists or just deco boxes, just box, this, like, helps me put icons down or little character stickers. Like, I just feel like it makes me be a little more creative. Plus, I love those scalloped checklists that our subscription kits have. That's, I guess that's gonna go away with the new format, isn't it? Although, no, it doesn't have to, because I do have checklists. Okay, so I need to fix that because I didn't have them on there before. And I am putting down my little unicorn box and Lucifer. I think there's only 2 more episodes to this season. That's another show that is just like, oh my god, I need things to happen in this show, and I don't want to say these things out loud because I don't want to ruin it for someone, but I just need things to happen in this show. And I put my little C-3PO right there because I have a Star Wars theme going on in my bullet journal. If you haven't seen my last video, it is my weekly spread, all Star Wars theme. It has Princess Leia and Han Solo, and it is so cute. I think it's kind of cute. And now I'm just layering on some more Simply Gilded washi because I have that empty space that I don't know what to do with. Plus, it's super cute. So, yeah. And I love how that holographic washi looks next to the rose gold foil washi under it. Like, it's just super cute. And I am cutting down our checklist too, because I don't need that much, and I don't want the sticker to go over the dotted line. I ordered a new Erin Condren planner, and it should be here probably in the next couple days. I think it was going to be here by the end of the week, which is insane. But I got an hourly one. Sorry if you hear things like this is being on my desk, just walking around it, getting comfortable, I suppose. But I ordered an hourly, which I had bought one last year at a discount, so it was for last year, and I really loved planning it, or in it, because I love knowing what I'm doing every hour of the day. Like, I joke around with my husband that I can be spontaneous, and when we planned our, like, 3-week trip to Ireland and Scotland, I literally scheduled everything down to a T, and I scheduled the few hours every other day that we had to be spontaneous. Like, I have to plan when I can be spontaneous. I cannot just be spontaneous. I need to know what time I'm gonna wake up. I need to know when I'm gonna have breakfast. It is so crazy, you guys. Like, if I'm, like, in a schedule that keeps me, I guess, like, semi-sane, then I need to, like, I drink my, it's like an energy drink, but it's not like a Red Bull. It's like, it's these, like, 4 Life packets, and they are, like, they give you energy without all of that, like, sugary stuff. And, like, I don't know how to explain it, but they are so good. So I drink that in the morning, and then I know that, like, 2 hours later, I can have a coffee. And 2 hours later, I can have my tea. But, like, I need to space them out. I sound like a total psycho. But I need that, like, it's almost like stability in my life. And, I don't know. I tell this to my mom, and she's like, you're just insane. I don't know who you get that from, because it's not from me. And this is what I do when I think about what I need to do. I thought I had edited all those out, but my finger tapping stayed right there, and now I'm just gonna leave it. I usually edit it out. I probably have like a total of 5 minutes in this entire video or entire time planning where I do that, which this took me, I would like to say like 45 minutes, so 5 minutes of that was just like, I don't know, just trying to figure out what the heck I was going to do next. And I wasn't going to use these checklists because the whole, you know, white space planning, whatever. But I love those gems on them, so I knew that I had to sneak one in somewhere. And Wednesday we have some errands to do because Monday's Monday. I have groceries, because I didn't do them Sunday because we came back from my parents, and so Monday's a little busy. And then Tuesday, my husband doesn't get home till late, and so Wednesday we need to mow the lawn. Well, he's gonna mow the lawn. We need to change our AC filter because it's pretty gross, and we need to return the mattress that we borrowed when my sister stayed over. So, a few things to do on Wednesday. And now Thursday, I'm just using the leftover checklist that I cut. So I think I have one more left in the kit that I haven't used, but, or maybe not. Maybe, yeah. No, definitely not, because there's just 3, and I think I used all 3 colors. So, Thursday, it's just a little bit of work stuff, and I am, it's the last day to subscribe to our Maybox, which is a really cute theme. We actually brought in a new character, like a bean friend, and it's the cutest llama, and it's all cactus and succulents, and the washi is beautiful. Like, I am just in love with it. And then laundry. Like, I guess I need to schedule time for laundry. When we first got our washer and dryer in this house, which I swear it was like a year ago, before that we like shared one with our, so we live like in this house that has a tiny house attached to it, and it all belongs to my husband's dad, and my husband's sister lived there, and so we had a laundry that we shared, and then just shit happened. And so we got our own laundry, and oh my god, that was a life changer. And I swear I did laundry every day. I was so excited because I loved doing laundry. I don't know why. I love the smell of laundry. I love having clean clothes. It made me so happy. But lately I have been just struggling to keep up with laundry, so I need to schedule it. And so Thursday, laundry, gotta catch up. And so Friday is new releases, which we have some fun stuff planned for this Friday. I am not going to give anything away, although I guess you'll be able to see tomorrow because I'm going to upload a new release video tomorrow. And now I'm just putting up the deco boxes. I use a deco box pretty much every day, and I think I've been doing that for ever since I started using kits because they're my favorite part. Oh my gosh, and look at how cute these quarter boxes are. I love the little bow and the little Hippo Fifi from Spot Drop, so I will link that down below, and it's just so cute. We're visiting our home Friday. It was going to be Thursday, but our realtors rescheduled, and so, I have been living all week for Thursday, and now I'm going to have to push it back one more day, but I can do it. I'm trying to only visit our home once a week because it was just seriously, I was wasting so much gas. It's like a 60-mile round trip, and so yeah, no, my husband was like, knock it off, we're budgeting. And so, we also have the first Tampa Bay Lightning playoff game, or Eastern Conference Final game at 8 o'clock. So we're gonna go out and, really gross, but it's only weird if it doesn't work, right? We have been wearing the same shirt for the last 4 games. Granted, we just put them on for the game and then we take them off right afterwards, but we haven't lost a game since we started doing that. So I keep telling my husband that we're just like the silent heroes. That this is happening because we're wearing these shirts. He's wearing the shirt that he wore on Game 7 at the Stanley Cup Final when Tampa won. And then I'm just wearing some random Lightning shirt that I got at a game. But it's worked, you guys. We haven't lost a single game since we started wearing them. So how can I let my team down? So, but if we happen to lose, I am washing them. like right away. And yeah, okay, so really gross. I can't believe I just admitted that. But it's only weird if it doesn't work, right? I think that was like a Bud Light commercial or something like that. And oh, look at this little Hermione bunny from RainbowBunnyCo. She is so cute. And I am going to be going to my parents on Saturday and coming back Sunday for game 2 of the hockey game. But I want to spend Mother's Day with my mom and my grandma, because my grandma's going back to Venezuela this sometime next week, and so I won't see her again for several months or closer to a year, hoping she comes back. And so I want to spend Mother's Day there, and they're having like a big cookout, and so I'm just going to go Saturday and then come back Sunday. And I just super decorated Mother's Day there with gems and bows and flower beans, and I just thought it was so cute. I wanted to do something a little extra special, but then by the end of Sunday, I really needed that space back because I was running out of space to write down like our hockey game and everything. And so I think I totally skipped over the part that I was talking about Bunny Hermione, but I really want to finish book 2 because it's taken me forever to read these books. Like, I haven't found time to read. I read like a chapter a day, and I really need to step it up because I want to be reading like a book a week. Even though I'm like rereading them, it doesn't really count as a new book, but still, I just need to step it up a little bit. And so that was it. I'm putting a sad Fifi here because my grandma's leaving, and so it's just gonna be, I know she's just gonna bawl her eyes out, but I'm glad to be there and just kind of give her a happy farewell. And that is pretty much my Sunday. I am going to drive back home. It's about a 3-hour drive, so it's not too bad, but I want to be back in time for the 8 o'clock game that I'm telling you, we have to wear the same shirts, and my husband and I need to watch it together. That's a thing. There was one game where I missed like 2.5 periods, and we were losing. And then when I got back home, we scored. It went to overtime, and we scored again. I was home. So it just, yeah. I swear, it works. I don't know how, but it works. And I am putting up my Simply Gilded so that I don't forget. And this is pretty much the end of my week. I am leaving that blank space there so that I can just fill it in as things happen. And if you check my Instagram, I will update, the little changes that I do. And I will be back very soon with another video. So I will see you next time. Bye!